Y'all can't see me. That's how early it is. It's been fun. It's been a year. It's been fun. Now, back to regular scheduled programming. Yeah.
The number you have dialed has been changed.
It's currently 5:41 a.m. Heading to the gym. Today's my first day working from the building, so we have to go in by 8:30, I think, every morning. So early start. Let's go work out. I just wanted to introduce the vlog. Welcome to our second weekly vlog episode on my channel. Hope y'all are doing well. Let's crush this week. At least that's my attitude towards it. I'm like, damn, we're going back in the building and stuff, but you know, it's been fun. It's been a year. It's been fun. Now, back to regular scheduled programming. I don't know how I feel about it yet. I'll check in with y'all, but right now, your girl is going to the gym. Because you know what still stays the same from last week to this week? I got goals. I got goals. With that, I need to get up and do some actions. So, let me turn this light off. I will see y'all later. Hey guys, live and direct from my classroom, y'all. So I just got here. It's currently 8:25. We're supposed to get here at 8:20 in the mornings. It took me a little longer this morning just because I had to meal prep real quick. But tomorrow that won't be the case because I'm meal prepping tonight, so I'll be here on time. I was worried about parking, but I think I'm early because a lot of people, well, I can't tell if a lot of people are here because I don't see anybody, but it's a whole procedure. When you come in, you got to sanitize your hand. We got to use our phone and scan, so it's like tracking, like to who, if somebody tested positive, God forbid, we can trace to see where they were and all of that. They have it at the front doors, they have it at the printers, any common area. Kind of a full day. Today is report card conferences and I totally forgot, so we go till 6 o'clock today. So yeah, thank God I lesson planned for tomorrow's lesson last night, so that's good. But yeah, I came in this morning. They left some goodies on our desk. I'm gonna show you what I got. So they gave us a box of highlighters, some whiteboard care we need this, and some file folders. Now I hardly use file folders, so I'm not sure if that's gonna be useful to me, just because we're virtual as well, so less paper. So I don't know what I'm really gonna do with this. And they also gave us a bag of goodies. Let's open it. They all fancy, y'all. If it's one thing about my job, they know how to like butter you up. And when I say, I mean just like a show that they appreciate you and everything. We're back, so let's see what's all in here. I'm gonna make a mess and I have to clean it up, but it's okay. Whew, all right, so we got tape dispenser. Ooh, hopefully there's tape in there. Oh no, because here goes the tape. So yeah, we got some pencil. My preference is mechanical, y'all. I'm not being ungrateful, I'm just telling you what I do. So usually, and I have a bunch of these in my supplies over there. If y'all remember my teaching packet, my pack up classroom vlog, I pack all my pencils and stuff. So I have a bunch of these pencils, but what I usually do, I usually sharpen them and put for the students, but the students aren't here, so sad. Post-it notes, these are always good. I am a post-it notes fanatic. I love post-it. They're everywhere in my life. I even have post-it notes on my computer. That's how it really gets. These are the tiny ones, but these are still good. What else we got? We got some tiny paper clips. Again, not really using papers, but it's handy. We got some good old binder clips. That's good. My camera's about to die, so hurry up. So We got staples. We got a stapler. That's always good because if you're a teacher, y'all know these things in the middle of the year, they always leave you hanging. So this is good to have a backup. I think I have 2, and I have a eraser. Good. And that's it. I wish we had some markers though, because those are hard to come by, but I think we have markers downstairs, and they gave us this thing to clean and this. I'm gonna move this off my desk and put it like to the side. The students aren't here. My students aren't coming in till April, so we're just working from the building for now, so that's cool. I feel like my anxiety is gonna get a little higher when kids start coming in, but they have a whole system for us. I'm pretty sure we'll be all right. Our school is a network, so they got us priority vaccine, so I haven't taken mine yet. A lot of teachers have, so I'm scared to take it, y'all, but I'm gonna do a little bit more research, but I think I'm gonna do it, and then that's it. So working from home has ended, but yeah, that's what I'm about to do. I have a meeting in 12 minutes, and I go straight in meetings like all throughout the day and everything like that. So yeah, this is my Monday. So teachers, we don't teach on Mondays now, so we just have meetings all day. It's like PD day, professional development, and then Tuesday through Friday we teach all day from 8:30 to 3, I think, or 3:15. So this is my new schedule. This is my new life. I'm going into it very optimistic. I feel like I'm not gonna be like, oh my god, we had a year off. In what universe are teachers working from home? Like, so I'm grateful for the time we had off. It was fun. Shout out to everyone. We had fun. So now it's back to the building. So let me get my life prep and everything. I did bring lunch. I meal prepped everything, y'all. So y'all, one thing that I wanted to show y'all was my outfit. So they told us like we could dress professionally, or we could wear jeans and like a college t-shirt, or a work woke shirt, or any like Black Lives Matter type shirts. But this is what I have on. My intention was not to wear sneakers. I have my boots in my car, but I was running late and I forgot to change. So let me show y'all real quick. Real nice and comfy. We can't be, listen, we've been working from home, so they can't expect us to come up here with blazers and jackets. I forgot my camera stand, so we just gonna work with what we got. Hey guys, good morning. So it is the next day. Today is Tuesday. Just got to work. So every first day of the week we are gonna take a COVID test. We take it every Tuesday morning. So this is my COVID test right here. Y'all ignore my finger. I tried to do my nails last night. They were cute, but then they all came off. I'll insert a clip to show y'all, child. But anyway, so this is the COVID. This is a non-invasive COVID test. We're gonna take this COVID test together, except the part that I have to spit in the thing, because I do have to spit in it, so I won't show y'all that. But did y'all know it was a difference between spit and saliva? I didn't know that. So if you knew that, shout out to you. All right, random fact of the day. But anyway, so ignore the fingers. Like I said, I popped my nails off this morning. But anyway, this is the little test tube, and this is the little valve thing that we gotta, so you unscrew this, put this in there, and then I have to activate my saliva. And to activate your saliva, all you gotta do is this. Move your tongue on, like underneath your tongue, just move it, and you'll start feeling like liquid. So my job is to fill this up halfway. Let's see. It was hard for me the first time, so let's see. We're gonna call it a day, because all right. So then you get your alcohol wipe. You're gonna close your tube, close it real tight, then you're gonna wipe it off, put it in this baggie like so, and you're gonna close it. And then, all right, so now we're gonna write with a Sharpie on the Ziploc bag our name. We gotta deliver it downstairs by 10 o'clock, but I'm not trying to go downstairs right now because a lot of people down there, and I'm not trying to be like, oh hey, I haven't seen you in so long. I miss y'all, I'm sorry. So, and not to be mean, I'm just like, y'all know y'all ain't missing nobody, okay? Anyway, hey guys, what's up? So it's well, it's not lunchtime. I'm on my prep right now, but I'm finally eating. It's 12:48 and it feels like it's 5 o'clock and I haven't eaten. when you're teaching at home, I feel like I always able to like jump in the kitchen and just whip up something real quick. But now I'm teaching back to back and stuff. I don't have time to eat. So right now I'm hungry. Your girl is hungry, child. So on today's menu, we have some good old lettuce, some shrimp that I made last night, and I have some 1,000, what this thing called? And we got, I forgot what this thing is called. I think it's called 1,000 something. It's the dressing. I don't remember, but I portioned this out, and I got my, of course, my good old coffee, and that's what I'm eating. So guys, happy Friday. Got home from work. Mommy and Shaba pulled me out of the house. I'm just tired. Yeah, hurry me up too. But I go on the road, go do some grocery shopping and stuff. This a boy bother me for allowance, and you know people earn allowance when they do things, right? What does Shav do?
Clean your car.
Clean my car. Yes, I'll clean my car first of all.
Wait, you got never there with the car smoke.
Anyway guys, I go up on the road, go do some shopping for groceries and stuff, because we're not doing that this weekend, okay? It's Friday afternoon and I'm tired. But anyway, I'll catch y'all in a little bit. Shavis the girl them sugar.
Smell good, not true. It smell good.
Oh wow. Alright y'all. Guys, good morning. I haven't seen y'all in a few days. Hey guys, what's up? Good morning. Let me turn this down. I'm warming up my car. Hey guys, haven't seen you. I mean, to y'all it's like a couple seconds, but to me I haven't picked up my camera since the last time I vlogged. I don't remember what day that was, but today is Saturday. It is the, oh no, I picked up my camera yesterday. We were going on the road, but I didn't get to like vlog because it, child, came home from work yesterday and I didn't get back home till like late at night because we was on the road saying we were doing our grocery shopping from Friday, so we have to be out on Saturday. Still gotta go back on the road today, but that's neither here nor there. Anyway guys, so yesterday, which is Friday, that's when I got paid, February 19th or something like that. I had gone to the bank to pull out my money so I can stuff my envelopes. So the lady was just like, you should consider about coming in for a financial wellness check. And I was like, what's wrong? And she was like, y'all young people. And I was like, okay. She was like, do come. She was, and I was like getting scared. I didn't tell her that I was scared, but she was like, y'all young people don't like to check on your finances. And I'm just like, girl, I'm trying. But anyway, she set up my appointment for, and that was yesterday, which is March 5th. Yeah, so she set it up for yesterday, and I was just like, oh my god, hopefully there's nothing wrong. Like, what are they seeing from their end, like, that I'm not seeing? And I'm just like, god, what's going on? So anyway, I went, and I was just like, you know, take this as a learning opportunity. Maybe they want to teach me something about finances and everything like that, and that is something, a part of my life that I want to get, you know, up to par. But it wasn't anything like that. I was stressing all week for nothing, low-key. Like, it was just updating my info. Like, I had closed out, well, I didn't close out my savings account with my bank. I just didn't use it because every time I used it, I saw that I was getting charged. I was like, not doing that. So I opened up a separate credit union account, and that's where my money has been going for savings. But they was like, let's open back up your savings account, doing all that, just like giving me some options, asking me about my debt and stuff like that, basically trying to offer me a loan to like pay off my car, pay off everything, so that now I'm indebted to them. And I was like, it's a good offer, honestly, if you think about interest rate, if you think about all of that. But I told him I was gonna think about it, and I might do it. I might do it. But anyway, it is Saturday. We are heading to the gym. It is late right now. Usually on the weekends, I like to get to the gym probably around 8 o'clock or so, because the gym now opens at 7 on the weekends instead of like 24 hours during the week. So my body got up this morning automatically at 5 o'clock, because that's what I usually get up to go to the gym in the mornings. But I was just up. So now we're heading to the gym. Also, I'm doing laundry, so that's happening while I'm heading to the gym. Yeah, so let's go to the gym, y'all. Been having great devotion all morning. I feel like I don't want to say I'm going through a big thing, but like in the moment, I like to be transparent with y'all, but I'm not going to tell y'all exactly what it is. I probably would eventually share it, but not right now. But my, you know, I just have some stuff on my mind, and my car is not heated up. Y'all hear my engine? But whatever. I have some stuff on my mind, but I don't know. So I just been laying there kind of feeling down or whatever, and just like in my head. And no, I'm a man problem. Okay, let me just put that out there. So yeah, so I just gave myself a little pep talk, and I was just there like, all right, we're going to the gym at 9. 9 came, and I was like, all right, we're going to the gym at 9:30. 9:30 came, and I was like, sis, get up. So I got up, put some clothes in the laundry, made my bed. My watch was dead, so and my AirPods, so I put those to charge, and here we are at 10:28 heading to the gym. It is freaking snowing, y'all. It is March, and it's snowing. I mean, it's a little flurries, and it's too cold. But next week, though, I looked at that weather forecast, baby. We are about to go back. Now it's about to be spring for real. Like, look how they have the little baby outside with her jacket and her boots. See, I know the baby cold. Because I'm cold. I mean, I don't have a coat on because I'm headed to the gym. But whatever, I'm yipping and yapping a lot, y'all. So I'm feeling really good today. Like, lately, I've been feeling really good. Despite me just thinking about stuff and like, you know. But I've been feeling hella good. Like, hella productive. Feeling hella good. Like, all the hellas in the world I've been feeling. And I don't know, I feel like I don't have anybody to thank except God, you know. Like, I just been talking to him more. I just been praying more, singing more. I have not gone to reading my Bible, I ain't gonna lie, except for the word of the day that comes on my phone. So that needs to change. I need to find, I see my Bible, it's in my closet. I just need to pick it up and dust it off. But yeah, anyway, I'm yipping a lot. I've been talking for 5 minutes in the car, and see that sometimes that's why it's hard to vlog, because when I don't do anything, I yip and I yap my mouth off, because that's what I do. Anyway, heading to the gym. Gonna try to find a gospel song that I want to listen to right now. Feeling a little Pentecostal this morning. So we're gonna, you know,